Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tech Showay. Today's topic is very interesting and I hope you all will learn and enjoy this. In this video, we will going to have a look on a social media. Today we all are using social media for various purposes. Generally, click and post is not the actual meaning of social media as we do. But it is a platform where you can stabilize yourself, enhance and grow yourself. As in the lockdown, many great ideas are grown up through social media. You can use social media as a foundation of your work. So let's begin with the theme, use your best to do your best. First of all, you need to analyze what you are doing require which platform. If you want to stabilize something, then how to make social media a base. You have to get this point. For this, you need to analyze that what your idea requires, which platform suits your idea. In this video, we'll let you know about how to make correct use of social media. Actually, we are using a lot of social media platform, but in this video, we will focus on 4 platforms which we do use on the daily basis. So the first is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is an amazing platform if you want to grow on your skills. For all the educational perspective, LinkedIn is a great foundation. Here you can find the experienced people who can help you to move on their better direction. You can connect with relevant people. By growing your network, you will also grow your opportunities in LinkedIn. Here, your connectivity and your activeness can open the doors for a better future. Apart from this, you can get a lot of opportunities of internships and job through this platform. It can give a better start and a worth response to your work. The second one is Instagram. Yeah, the most common in all the phones. Generally, we use it to look over the memes, posting pics and waiting for the likes. But guys, it is a great platform to explore your brand values. Here you can use creative promotional ideas to enhance your brand value. Just make it clear for that. The third one is Facebook. Whenever you want to target the quantity, go freely with Facebook. It is a good platform to target your audience and have a frank talk with them. Obviously, it maintains a good users in number, so grab this for your users target. The fourth one is Twitter. You may worry about how can it be too effective to lay it as a foundation. So guys, Twitter is famous for its quizziness, as your short content are also powerful here. It's easy to let the people know about your work by creating short content through Twitter. So guys, use social media for your expertise. Don't let your days pass in just scrolling. Be productive with this platform. Use SMs for your creations. Good luck guys and thank you for watching. Please do like and share this video and subscribe to Tech Showay.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you